Guys, what's up? This is Anian and today I'm just going to show you guys how to make my own logo. So first, you gotta do this, oopsies, this, 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 and done. Just kidding. That isn't it. So I'm going to do a new sketch because I'd already did that because for a joke. And here, you gotta click symmetry, green, dark green, dark, even more darker green, and shapes, rectangle. Alright, I didn't do that properly. Here, you're done. Not yet. Now this, you gotta be a bit more lighter. Yeah, here. Oops. Yeah. Now this, that wasn't proper. This, and this. Like this dark would do it. Yeah. This much darkness would do it. A bit more lighter, just a bit more. Yeah, done. Here, wait, no. Text, not yet. Fill with color and dark blue. Actually, I think it should be a bit more lighter, like this light. Yeah, I'm using the Harry Potter font, alright, and also all letters should be capital. And to get down, perfect. And here, this and this and this and this. Not yet. It has to be perfect, alright? Like what I said about this. Yeah, and done. So that's it. I'm just going to end this video with "You're My Sunshine." Wait, why is the tune still there? You are my you are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. And let me keep this aside. I don't want it to break. Because it's my father's. So, peace.